Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you. Poor bowel movements, also known as constipation, refer to infrequent or difficult bowel movements. Constipation is a common digestive issue that can cause discomfort, bloating, and abdominal pain. It can also be associated with other symptoms such as hard or small stools, a feeling of incomplete evacuation, and straining during bowel movements. There are a number of factors that can contribute to constipation, including a low-fiber diet, dehydration, lack of physical activity, certain medications, and underlying health conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or colon cancer. There are a number of lifestyle changes and home remedies that may help improve your symptoms. In this video, we will discuss the homemade plum syrup and how you can prepare it. Plum syrup, also known as prune juice, is a natural laxative that can help to improve bowel movements and relieve constipation. Plums contain a type of fiber called soluble fiber, which absorbs water and helps to soften the stool. In addition, plums contain a natural substance called sorbitol, which has a laxative effect. Some other potential health benefits of plums include: high in antioxidants. Plums are a good source of antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids, which may help to protect the body against oxidative stress in chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. May help with weight management. Plums are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help to promote a feeling of fullness and support weight management. May support digestive health. As mentioned earlier, plums contain a type of fiber called soluble fiber, which absorbs water and helps to soften the stool. This can help to improve bowel movements and relieve constipation. May support bone health. Plums are a good source of vitamin K, which is important for bone health. Adequate intake of vitamin K may help to reduce the risk of osteoporosis. May have anti-inflammatory effects. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in plums may have anti-inflammatory effects, which may be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis. To make fresh plum syrup, you will need the following ingredients: 1 pound of ripe plums, pitted and roughly chopped. 1 cup of water. 1 cinnamon stick, optional. Instructions: in a medium saucepan, combine the plums, water, and cinnamon stick, if using. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low and simmer until the plums are soft and the mixture has thickened, about 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool for a few minutes. Discard the cinnamon stick, if using. Using a blender or food processor, blend the mixture until smooth. You can also use a potato masher or a fork to mash the mixture until it reaches your desired consistency. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth to remove any solids. Transfer the plum syrup to a clean container or jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store the syrup in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. It is recommended to drink a small glass, about 4 to 6 ounces, of the syrup as needed. It is important to drink plenty of water along with the plum syrup to help hydrate your body and support the laxative effect. You can also add plum syrup to beverages or foods as a sweetener. Some ideas for incorporating plum syrup into your diet include: adding a spoonful of plum syrup to a glass of water or a cup of tea. Mixing plum syrup into smoothies or yogurt. Using plum syrup as a topping for oatmeal or pancakes. Adding a spoonful of plum syrup to a bowl of cereal or granola. It is also important to note that while plum syrup can be effective in relieving constipation, it is not meant to be used as a long-term solution. If you are experiencing constipation, it is important to pay attention to your diet and lifestyle and make necessary changes to improve your bowel movements. This may include increasing your intake of fiber-rich foods, staying hydrated, and exercising regularly. If these measures do not improve your symptoms, or if you are experiencing other symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloody stools, or weight loss, it is important to speak with a healthcare provider for further evaluation and treatment. Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.